Is your Outlook mailbox almost full and you keep getting storage warnings? Don't worry, I'll show you 3 easy ways in classic Outlook to delete old or unwanted emails. First, by using Advanced Find for a one-time cleanup. Second, by creating rules, and the third one is Auto Archive for cleanup by age so Outlook deletes emails automatically. Method 1, Advanced Find, Bulk Delete. First, let's clean up with Advanced Find. I'll go up to the Search tab, click on Search Tools, and then choose Advanced Find. Here I make sure the folder is set to Inbox, and if I want to include other folders, I just click Browse and select them. Now I'll switch to the Advanced tab. From here, I click on Field, go down to Date, Time fields, and choose Received. I set the condition to On or Before, and pick a date that's about 6 months old. Then I add it to the list. If I only want unread messages, I add another condition. So I click Field again, choose Frequently Used Fields, and then Read. I set it to =No, and add that too. Next, I hit Find Now, and Outlook shows me all the emails that match. I press Ctrl+A to select them all, and then I press Delete to move them to the Deleted Items folder. If I want them gone permanently, I press Shift+Delete, but I have to be careful because that can't be undone. Finally, I go to the Deleted Items folder, right-click it, and choose Empty Folder. That actually frees up the space. Method 2, Rules, Automatic Deletion. Now let's set up automatic deletion with rules. I'll go to the Home tab, click Rules, and then Manage Rules and Alerts. From there I create a new rule. I'll choose Apply Rule on messages I receive. Now I can pick my conditions. For example, I can check which is unread or from people or public group if I want to target a sender. I can also add with specific words in the subject and type things like unsubscribe, promo, or sale. Once I've set the conditions, I click Next and tell Outlook what to do. If I want them just sent to deleted items, I select Delete it. If I really don't want to see them ever, I can choose Permanently Delete it, but again that skips the Deleted Items folder, so I use it carefully. I can even add exceptions, like ignoring emails from my boss or important clients. Then I give the rule a name, something like Auto Delete Newsletters, and I tick the option to run the rule right now on the inbox. Finally, I click Finish and Apply, and from then on Outlook handles those emails for me. Method 3, Auto Archive, Automatic Cleanup by Age. Now let's look at Auto Archive, which cleans up emails based on age instead of sender or keywords. I'll go to the File tab, then choose Options. From there, I click Advanced and then Auto Archive Settings. Here I can set Outlook to run Auto Archive every few days or weeks. I choose how often it should run, for example, once every 14 days. Next, I pick what happens to old items. I can set it to clean out items older than 6 months or any time period I want. I can choose whether those emails get deleted permanently or moved to an archive folder. If I want to keep old messages but free up inbox space, moving them to an archive file is the best choice. But if I really don't need them, I can select to delete them automatically. Once I save the settings, Outlook handles the rest. From then on, old emails get cleaned up without me having to touch them. So that's it. Advanced Find is perfect for one-time cleanups. Rules are great for automatically deleting unwanted messages. And Auto Archive keeps old mail under control. Make sure to test your rules on a small set of emails before going big, and if you're not sure, export a backup first. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how much space you cleared from your Outlook inbox.